How to check how many device log into my Facebook account. Simply go to your setting area, press on this icon, then you can see this page. Now you have to go setting and privacy, and from here go to setting. Now here you can see manage your setting. Now password and security. Now here is the option where you log in. This is the Facebook and this is my Instagram. Select Facebook. Now this is my current device and those are other device where this profile is logged in. If you want to log out, then simply select this device and press on log out, press on log out, then your device will be removed. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.